Okay, guys, I'm gonna be working out problem number 11. So let me read it to you. Austin's paycheck showed a regular weekly salary of $385.50. Okay, so for the week he earned $385.50 and had a deduction of $16.35. Now, a deduction is something that gets subtracted from your paycheck or from whatever balance you have. So this one is considered a negative. So whatever I had, which in this case is $385.50, I'm gonna subtract $16.35 because it's known as a deduction. A commission of $28.75 was added because when you earn commission, that money gets added onto your balance. That money gets it's like a bonus to your paycheck or to whatever money you already have. So in this case, commissions are a plus. Okay, so I started off with $385.50, and from that I'm going to subtract $16.35. After I get that answer, I'm going to add $28.75. Okay, so far so good. Now, it also says that they're giving me $37.35 for overtime. Now, overtime is usually something that gets added to your paycheck as well, right? Because you're earning that extra money. So I can safely say that I'm adding $37.35 here at the end. Okay, so that should be my process for this particular problem. Now it says, write which equation correctly finds Austin's final pay. Now if I kind of measure this back to what my answer choices were, I can automatically deduct this one, B, and this one, C, because they're not subtracting $16.35, and we had said that that's what a deduction was. Okay, so I can take those out. Now, it's now a matter of looking at A and D. And now A and D look exactly alike. Okay, so it's pretty much working these out on your own and figuring out which one was the correct answer. Now, notice how this one has a negative answer and this one still has a positive answer. Now, if I'm going to use my common sense to figure out which of these will make the most logical sense, and you know, if I was in Austin's particular place, okay, if I'm earning $385 and they're only taking away $16.35 and they're adding everything else, why would I end up with a negative answer? Why would I not have money in my account? So without working any of this out, I know that this is gonna be my answer because I should not have a negative. Now I don't want to just say A is my answer. I want to make sure I work this out. So I'm going to have $385.50 minus $16.35. Okay, so in this case, I have 15, carry this. So I have 369. Okay, and then I'm still going to add $28.75, right? Because I'm going to refer back to this. So I have 390, carry the 1, 397.90, and then I'm still going to add the $37.35. So I have $397.90, and I apologize for writing all ugly, plus $37.35 should give me $4.35, and there is my answer for 35.25. Okay, so again, that's just another way of trying to figure out what this equation represents the word problem, or which word problem represents the equation. And this is just one way of doing this. Okay, there you go.